Hi guys, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today I am going to prepare hotel style idli. Take 3 cups of idli rice and put into a vessel and take 1 cup of urad dal and separately put them and a half cup sabudana and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek. Add to rice and wash it twice or thrice all the ingredients separately. Using by sabudana, our idli will be very soft and white in color. Pour this water to plants. It will grow healthy. And soak all the ingredients for 4 hours. Close it and soak it. After 4 hours, well soaked rice and urad dal as well as sabudana. First add the urad dal to grinder and grind smoothly. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to grind in the grinder. In hotel, people will use grinders only, they won't use mix jar. They are using lot of quantity of idli flour, idli batter and dosa batter they will do in grinder only and take into the vessel the urad dal and add the sabudana with water and add rice also. It will take 30 to 40 minutes time. Close and add water gradually if it requires. Batter should be little bit thick. See, smooth batter is ready. Then you add this batter to urad dal batter and add the required salt immediately. Then mix well with hand or ladle. And close ferment to 6 hours. 6 to 8 hours we can ferment it. After 6 hours our batter is ready to make idlis. See, fermented well. Mix gently, don't mix roughly. Just 3 to 4 times mix it. It's enough. Already salt mixed. Then add the water to idli cooker and steam it and grease the idli plates with cooking oil, few drops and apply it. Pour the batter into the idli plate. Steam 15 to 16 minutes. After steaming, check with toothpick if it is not sticky or idli is ready. Close and leave it for 2 minutes, then take from idli plate. Easily it will come. If you don't like oil, you can use cloth, wetted cloth, then you can make it idli. Serve with sambar or chutney. Already this chutney I uploaded in my channel. Chutney is available. Chutney video. Our idli is very soft. Some people likes two types separately they will eat. Some people will pour on the top of idli.